AI video generators are changing the game. Can you believe this video isn't real? It was created entirely by AI. Have you ever thought that Mona Lisa uses a smartphone? And check this out. The video was generated entirely from a simple text prompt. All these examples were created with a new AI video generator called Hailuo AI. Today, I'll guide you on how to access Hailuo AI and create incredible videos. Let's dive in. First, open your browser and search for Hailuo AI. From the search results, click on the first link to visit the Hailuo AI homepage. Here you can also see the creations made by others and recreate it. Here, we have three options. Let's explore the chat feature. It works like ChatGPT, letting you craft prompts or generate ideas effortlessly. After you set the text, you can generate your video with just one click, and make sure this option is turned on to automatically improve your simple text without using the chat option. However, you will have to wait a few minutes for the video to be made, and here is the video in just a few minutes. Now, let's create a video using just a simple text prompt. Here's how a cat plays the piano. Yes, you can create a video of anything you can imagine. Stick around to discover all the incredible ways to make videos with Hailuo AI. Now, I'm creating a video using this photo, but I'll be honest, I couldn't think of the perfect prompt right away. That's where the text option came to the rescue. With just a few clicks, it helped me craft a detailed and creative idea to bring this image to life. This feature is a game changer, especially when you're feeling stuck or need a spark of inspiration. Keep watching to see how it all comes together. I'm absolutely blown away by how stunning and realistic this video looks. It's hard to believe it was created by AI. How to make AI audio from text? Begin by writing your script, ensuring it's clear and engaging for your tutorial. Next, choose the language you want the voiceover in, making it accessible to your audience. Then, select a voice character or mood that fits your content: friendly, professional,
Thanks for watching and subscribe.
or dynamic to add personality and impact. With these steps, your voiceover will perfectly align with your video's tone and message.
Resonates with you, and let
Hello, I'm delighted to assist you with our voice services.
Hello, I'm delighted to assist you with our voice services.
You can try other languages, they sound realistic.
Здравствуйте. Рад помочь вам с нашей...
Bonjour, je suis ravie de vous accompagner.
亲人故人，所思所想，所行所愿。
And you can also choose a different accent in a language.
Hello, I'm delighted to assist you with our voice services. Choose a
You can filter by gender and age. With this feature, you can clone your own voice to create lifelike audio for your projects. In conclusion, while I was creating this video, Hailuo AI made some updates to their site. But the core principles of video generation remain intuitive and easy to use, unlike other software that often feels complicated and overwhelming. In the audio section we explored earlier, they've also added new options, making it even more versatile for creating custom voiceovers if you want to dive into the world of AI-generated content. Hailuo AI is a fantastic choice. Don't forget to share your thoughts and experiences in the comments, and make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching and happy creating!